Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a hot little number for you right here, a 1967 Nova. I sold this car a couple years ago. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and we just acquired the car back from him. It's got a built 400 small block motor, and it's beautiful front to back. But you can go to volocars.com. That's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos, even underneath the car. And while you're there, you'll see a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. But first, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin in the 67 Nova Sport Coupe. Yeah, this was restored a few years ago, and it looks like it was just done yesterday. The paint is slick, the body is nice, it's all smooth, fits real nice, there's no bubbles down here, the gaps are nice and square, the glass is shiny, and the trim and moldings, everything is just real straight and shiny. It has a nice stance also. The windshield looks new. The rear glass isn't new because I can see a couple little marks, but it's nice clear glass, nice stainless moldings. The emblems are all brand new on the car. New tail lights, bumper. This side of the car is just as straight as the other side. Paint's beautiful. New door handles, these moldings are real nice. These corner pieces have a little bit of pitting, just the corner piece on each side. It's got a bow tie mirror. Rubber gaskets are real nice. That's a steel cowl hood. Of course, polished torque thrust wheels. I don't have my glasses, so I can't tell you the size. Disc brakes up front as well. Up front here is beautiful. It's all sparkling, all looks like new. That's a 400 small block. It's rebuilt. It's got maybe a couple thousand miles on it. It's got a performance cam, aluminum intake, nice big chrome-plated Holley carb with electric choke, HEI ignition system, upgraded aluminum radiator, dual reservoir, master cylinder with all new brake lines. Everything in here looks new. The washer bottle, the squirters are hooked up, the nuts and bolts, alternator, battery, wires, all looks new under the hood. The interior is all redone. Bench seat, you can sit close to your sweetie. New door panels, new armrests, carpets, headliner, visors, the rear armrests, all beautiful condition. Underneath the car is really nice too. Real clean, tidy trunk. Got a trunk mat. It's all painted nice, new weather strip, and the last owner bought the factory in-dash gauges, so he was probably planning on putting those in, so that's a little bonus for you. But underneath the car, yeah, it's super clean. The front end's all gone through, new disc brakes. It's an automatic trans, got frame connectors. The rear suspension looks like it's all new. The leaf springs, the bushings, the shocks, even the rear end, it's a 10-bolt rear end. It's all freshly painted. It's got new nuts and bolts, new brake lines attached to it. So underneath the car is super nice. New gas tank, new dual exhaust. We'll start it up for you. It's a cold start. It's been in here overnight. The motor itself is smooth and quiet. It's making some noise out the back, out those tailpipes. Rubber's all new. Yeah, it's got some sound. The idle will come down as soon as it warms up. It'll be a little bit softer than that. I also wanted to point out, on the roof only, there are some little dimples. They call them fish eyes. There must have been a little contaminant in the air when they sprayed it. Those will never get worse, but there's little dimples. You probably won't even see them outside. They might even wet sand and buff out. The rest of the car is just gleaming. So you got a sharp looking little Nova here, very well restored top to bottom, in and out. 400 small block motor will move it down the road just fine. Go to volocars.com, plenty of ways to contact our staff. Any questions you have about the process or the car, shipping, financing, contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these awesome cars as we put them out. I appreciate everyone who's been watching and hope you come back. We'll have a lot more to show you.